Okay, well, before we close our show today, I'm going to give you a little report. As a lot of you know, Quality Digest is located in Chico, California, which is just down the hill from Paradise, California, which is where the big campfire is going on. So obviously this has had an impact on us and our employees. And we've had a lot of people, advertisers, viewers, readers, writing to us saying, hey, how are things going and stuff. So for you guys, we just wanted to give you an update. We did have 4 of our team who live in and around Paradise. 2 of them did lose their homes. 2 of them did not. It's pretty amazing. The map of one of those people who didn't lose their homes, you look at the structure map, structure destruction map, and you see this one little house, and every single house around it is burned to the ground. And it's you go, how does that even happen? And yet there's spots like that all over Paradise. So people want to know how they could help. Quality Digest set up a GoFundMe account. Quality Digest, by the way, is obviously helping our employees. We're paying their salaries while they're out of work, and there's some other things that we're doing to help them get settled. But people want to know how they could help as well. So we set up a GoFundMe account for these 4 employees who are displaced right now, and we'll disperse from that to help these guys out as they go through this recovery period. But we also, underneath the player page, also included 2 GoFundMe accounts specific to 2 of the people who lost their homes. And have families. So we've got Christopher Martin's GoFundMe in there. Christopher is our sales rep, one of our sales reps. His house was completely destroyed. He's got 2 young kids. Fortunately, we were able to relocate him into an apartment that Quality Digest keeps down here in Chico, so his family is safe and has a home. Christopher Smith, who is our producer and videographer and director of this show and a lot of other video stuff that does, he also lost his home. He's got a young boy in high school and a boy who just graduated. He's been able to relocate to an RV that was supplied by a family member. So he's got a place over his head right now. But obviously, a lot of reconstruction that has to go on, months and months. Most likely, neither one of them particularly want to move back, as you might imagine.
Obviously, many of you out there have been following the story on the news. It doesn't do it justice to say that Paradise was destroyed. I mean, Paradise was wiped from the map. Paradise
pretty much.
Does not exist.
Something only like maybe 30 or 40% of the businesses, because it was a city after all.
It's a city.
30 or 40% of the businesses are all that's left. So not only are residents gone, there's actually no businesses up there practically.
It's 25 plus thousand people live up there. So it's a disaster that is really inconceivable. It's about 8 miles from where we are right now. Is where the epicenter of the fire was. And is going on, still being fought now. So please consider giving and give to the Red Cross. I mean, certainly there's
whoever
victims.
You want.
I mean, if you do want to participate and give, the outpouring of support's been incredible here locally as well as throughout the country and the world. So we appreciate everyone helping our sad hearts and our friends and family. Fortunately, everyone we do know personally, I think I can say this for you as well, is safe. Everyone got out. Many people did not. Again, it's been a great tragedy. So, if you can support us, we certainly would appreciate that. Support our friends and our family. That's very much appreciated.
And for those of you who already have, because we've been announcing this GoFundMe for a while. For those of you who have already supported us, man, thanks.
Thank you very much. We appreciate that on behalf of our friends and family.